Hey, it's Mike here today, and I want to record a quick video, just raw, uncut. Let you know my thoughts on why most people actually fail business, and why a small percentage of people do not fail and they thrive and they seem to succeed no matter what they do. And I've coached over 100 people, to be honest, even way more. One-to-one though, it's been about 100 people, and most have been an absolute success. There's been this very small percentage that haven't, and again, this is why they haven't either. And it's down to staying consistent. And I'll go deeper into these points, right? But it's down to staying consistent, sticking to what you're selling, and never giving up and believing in yourself. Okay, these 3-4 points, super, super important. Now, with that, you need to be ruthless. Like, you literally have to be ruthless to actually succeed from there. Okay, now, from that point, when you begin selling your services online, first of all, it's what do I sell? Pick something, I don't care what it is, pick a high income skill. That can be landing pages, copywriting, email marketing, automations. And there's so much out there. There's so much funnels, different things like that. You've endless opportunity. Pick one and stick to it. Never leave, never stop creating on that topic, right? Now, when you create over and over and over again, you're commenting on other big accounts and you're getting traction, you're getting followers, you're becoming an authority, people are interested in you. Don't stop, don't change just because you haven't got a client yet, because you haven't got paid $10,000 a month yet, like everyone thinks you need to earn. No matter what country you are, no matter what circumstances, it's like 10K a month is just like you have to earn it or you're poor. It's not the case, right? And for a lot of people, it takes years to get to that point, literally years, okay? So don't stress if you're even 6 months, a year into your journey and you haven't made that money, or you're not at where you want to be, okay? I'm just literally nearly watching a crash here in front of me, some people. So from there, you need to just stay consistent with what you're doing, right? I picked landing pages. I never stopped doing landing pages. I still do them a year and a half later, almost 2 years to be honest. Well, a year and a half. And I never stopped. I constantly promoted my stuff, constantly promoted my offer, kept pushing and pushing and pushing. And never once would I stop selling that because I had low months, because I wasn't working in the beginning. Like, you just have to be powerful and power through. Be ruthless. Don't give up. Power through continuously. Never stop. If I went broke tomorrow and I didn't have clients coming through, I didn't even have my Twitter account or any of my social medias, what am I doing? I'm still doing the same thing every day. I'm posting content and I'm helping other people. I'm going to do outreach every day to try and get clients. I'm ruthless with it. That's the way I would be. But most people, they give up after a certain amount of time. They don't stick to what they're doing. They see this shiny object syndrome. They go to something else. They sell something else this month. And that's an endless cycle that will never get them anywhere. And it's self-destructive, because you're resetting yourself every time you change your offer, every time you change this and that. And people haven't a clue what you do. So you can't build authority in a couple of months. You can't. You cannot build authority in a couple of months. I've like 45,000 followers across platforms. I do not see myself as an authority yet. I need hundreds of thousands on some platform before I feel like I'm an authority, like 100K maybe, something like that. I think that's the point when you're becoming an authority. So people with 1,000, 2,000 followers talking about that they're not an authority yet, obviously, like, it's not a lot of people. Okay, look, if you put them in a room, yes, it's a lot of people, but in reality of the grand scheme of things, when you put it online, 1,000 followers is not big. There's a lot of people have 1,000 followers and do nothing with it. You're doing something with that, and you're going to continuously grow. You're going to feed into these followers. You're going to help them. You're going to benefit them, and you're going to showcase your offer. And you're going to showcase your offer every single day. So push forward, stick to what you're doing, never give up, be ruthless. This is the biggest point. Be ruthless and never give up. Okay? Stick to it. You got this. Keep pushing. Don't stop.